Hey there everyone! Welcome to Section 3 of our LinkedIn Ads video training series, Advanced LinkedIn Ad Strategies. In this section, we are going to teach you proven, expert-level LinkedIn advertising strategies that will give you an enormous advantage when it comes to your LinkedIn advertising game. In fact, what we are going to teach you in this section are ways to apply those advanced marketing strategies that gurus don't like to talk about, to further increase the effectiveness of LinkedIn ad features. Here's a summary of what you will learn in this section. Creating a showcase page to promote content series. Collecting leads directly from their LinkedIn inboxes. Using LinkedIn features to locate qualified targets. Turning your company pages into lead generation pages. Creating a marketing plan for LinkedIn. Best practices for content campaigns and company updates. So let's start off with the first item on our list, creating a showcase page to promote content series. Alright, so you already know that in order to promote sponsored content on LinkedIn, you will need to have a company page from where to release content that you can sponsor. But what if you plan to dedicate a series of sponsored stories to a specific subject that could look a bit off topic, even spammy in the eyes of your potential targets? As a marketer, you might be already familiar with content series. A content series is how you use periodic content releases to catch the hard-to-get leads. The problem about releasing content series on LinkedIn is that you would have to use your own company page to promote a single content series that might put off some of your followers, or that may simply look a bit out of place coming from your page. This can happen because content series are mostly used to reach a very specific subset of your target audience that isn't responding to your sponsored content. But we have good news for you. You can create a showcase page that you can use to promote content series. What is a showcase page? A showcase page is simply an extension of a company page, and they are designed to spotlight a brand you own, a different business unit, or new initiative within your company. Showcase pages are perfect for promoting content series targeted at hard-to-get leads because you can create them to showcase aspects of your business with their own message and audience segment. Creating a showcase page. Creating a showcase page is quite easy. You will simply have to click on the profile icon on the top bar menu on LinkedIn's homepage. Then go to the Manage section on the menu and locate the company page that you want to associate with your new showcase page, and then click on it. Now click on the Admin Tools in the top right-hand corner, and then click on the Create Showcase Page option. A Create Showcase Page pop-up window will appear, where you will have to enter your new showcase page's info. Here you will simply have to enter your showcase page name in the showcase page name field. The same keywords that you use on your showcase page name will be used on the showcase page's public URL. So take that into consideration when coming up with your showcase page's name. Once you have entered your name, simply click on Create Page to continue. Awesome! Now your new showcase page has been created, and you won't have to use your main company page to distribute sponsored content to your audience's hard-to-get lead segment. Now, in order to use your showcase page to promote sponsored content, you will simply have to add it to your campaign manager through a new ad account. Start by going to your campaign manager by entering the linkedin.com/ad/accounts URL in your browser's address bar. Now click on the Add Account button on the right-hand corner. Now type your showcase page's name in the company name field and select it from the drop-down list. Now name your new ad account in the Ad Account name field. Then select your currency in the currency menu and click on Add Account. And that's it. Now you will simply have to select your showcase page's ad account when you log into your campaign manager every time that you will use it to promote a new piece of a content series.